Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do the September Boxy Luxe unboxing and I'm really excited to get into this. I got it a couple days ago and I can't wait to open it. So the theme this month was all access and it has some pretty cool stuff in it. I saw some sneak peeks, so I can't wait to dive in. There was one thing I knew we were getting and I passed it off to a friend because I actually already have it, and it is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess contour palette. I have the one obviously that I've owned for a while now, but I gifted the new one to my friend, so that I did already have. And the Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette was worth $45 retail. Of course, these are American prices, so if you live in Canada, retail is always a little bit more. The other thing I was really excited to try, and if we weren't getting in the Boxy Luxe, I was going to buy it anyway, is the Glow Recipe Pineapple C Brightening Serum. I don't know why, but my box was open. So if anything else looks open, I probably won't use some of it, but it looks okay. Weird. It looks so cute. It's just a little pineapple. I wonder if it has a smell. I'm gonna smell. It kind of smells like pineapple, but I don't necessarily like the smell of this. It kind of smells like sour pineapple, but I'm gonna give this serum a try and see how it works on my skin. I've been wanting to try out a vitamin C serum for a while now, so I hope this goes good. This does retail for a $49 value. For those of you who haven't heard, BoxyCharm is coming out with some pretty significant changes on monthly subscriptions and in raising their prices a little bit, but they've increased the amount of products you're going to get every month. There's also options for getting more products every month for a little bit more money. Check out their Instagram, is where I usually get their updates. The next thing I got is the IGK Hydrating Hair Balm. This is a leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh hair down. It has coconut oil in it and it's meant for dry, coarse, and frizzy hair. Perfect for me. It smells really good. Oh, I like that. The hair balm retails for about $29. The next thing I'm pulling out here is the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Everything I've gotten from Dr. Brandt has been really good. I've tried their scrub and there was an eye cream that was awesome, and I've gotten them both in subscription boxes. Dr. Brandt hasn't let me down yet, so I hope this is really good. This recovering sleep mask retails for $52. So far, like, everything in the box has been over $30 value, so that's awesome. I knew I was getting this, but I'm super excited to share this one with you. It's a curling wand. It's by the brand name Sutra. It's a clipless curling iron with a cool tip. $65 retail value, so this is awesome. Comes with a cute carrying case. As you can tell, I use a curling iron like on the daily just to like throw in some waves and stuff. This obviously isn't my best hair, but you know, it's something quick in the morning, and I think this curling iron is going to help me a lot with that. So it's a 1.25 inch barrel, so that's perfect for creating like beachy kind of waves if you wanted to. I'm really excited to try this out. We got an eyeshadow palette as well this month, and I'm super excited about it. It is the Violet Voss Essentials eyeshadow palette. It retails for $29. It has such pretty and colorful shades in it that I'm really excited to try out. The Violet Voss eyeshadow palette has retail value of $29. The next thing I have is the Stila liquid lipstick, and I got the shade Angelo. I actually have this shade as well, so I may gift this. I don't want to swatch it. The Stila liquid lip costs $22 retail value. The last thing I see in the box is this Hank & Henry eyeliner. It's in the shade Blickety Black. It is a $20 eyeliner, so I'm excited to try that out. That is everything we got in Boxy Luxe in September. I'm super excited to see what they bring to us. They're increasing the cost, but they promise that they're going to give us more products and possibly other brands that we haven't seen before. So I'm really excited for that. If you subscribe to BoxyCharm, let me know how you've been liking the September box so far. I have high hopes, so I can't wait to try out some of this stuff. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Bye!